Vivan, can I ask you a question?
Ask me a question.
Yeah.
Ask me a good question.
Yeah. So basically, after that fall of the slab event,
Yeah.
are you going now after that, or
First time.
what are you anticipating now when you go there?
What am I anticipating? Well, I think that it's the idea of art is process, and that the different formations that this fall in the different units between the beams makes different compositions and design, and it's actually working between a geometric grid and an expressionist fall, and then part grade and part chaos, and then it's now I don't know exactly how it's fallen at the extreme right where Asim's work was, so that we'll see. Wow. Okay.
खाने की तो बहुत अच्छी महक आ रही है।
Wonder how it will fall and what will happen.
Yeah, this is the thing. But there's no such thing as any kind of darar can happen this way or that way. No.
The only thing is that when the slab is falling down, if it hits on the column over there or this wall, then there could be like long-term damage. That wall is still okay because it's a retaining wall.
Yeah.
And
Acha.
it's got pressure of the earth from that side.
Huh.
But those columns there are just freestanding. Below over here. So those columns are a bit more. I mean, it's more dangerous if it slides that way.
But we would still have to have some, some kind of safety.
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
I've asked Vivan to get safety goggles and
Yeah.
masks for people.
I was also saying, masks are here.
Yeah.
Oh, a lot has been cut, no?
Yeah, most of it. I mean, we left a little bit because we thought the hammering would be interesting during the performance itself.
Yeah.
And then they're going to cut this with a disc grinder and welding torch.
The slab will fall practically in one piece. It's going to fall in one piece,
Probably.
right? And so all of this will get crushed.
No, the vertical ones we remove. Those wooden beams that are going in, like these ballis, they're just supported over there and just tied down at that with the white rope.
Okay.
So they can actually swivel down completely.
नहीं नहीं बांध दीजिए, डरो नहीं।
आराम से जाइएगा। आप भी इधर से आओगे? एक बार। हाँ ठीक है।
आगे
वहाँ देखिए।
यस मैम।
अगर यहाँ सर लग जाएगा खुद जाता है।
Let's start from नए सिरे से शुरू करते हैं.
और ये स्पेस
Let's start from completely fresh.
क्योंकि मैम
I didn't like this. हाँ.
हमें भी थोड़ा स्पेस के साथ थोड़ा मर्ज होना.
Yeah, and I think also because I gave you certain thoughts, you wanted to incorporate all the thoughts. It's not necessary. We were just giving you a kind of starting point.
अगर मैं कहूँगी मैं चाय बनाने वाली हूँ, फंसोगी ऐसी सिचुएशन में फंसना पर ये कहोगी कि मैं चाय देने आई हूँ तो लेके छींके में आओ और दो और चली जाओ. दैट्स ऑल.
आज कौन है? झिलमिल है।
हाँ आज हनी या देवर आज हम यहाँ इनके साथ मदद करें, काम करें.
ओके, वर्किंग विद देम।
No, you're working with it. You are
कोई
waiting.
कैरेक्टर लेने से फंस जाए।
बस कैरेक्टर लगने नहीं फैमिली हो ही नहीं. नो बॉडी. जस्ट योरसेल्फ with your bodies as people who use it in theatre and who are today doing
And the
this.
important thing is, ma'am, action should be like realistic or realistic.
No,
or
realistic
stylistic
मतलब अगर
बीच में.
डर कर रहे हो तो
जो
तुम्हें
space
करेक्ट
कह रहा है।
जो कह रहे हो तो जैसे तुमने ईंटे से ये किया था तो then that's also correct. What I'm just trying to say is let it go. This is industrial. Let it be industrial.
The very first time something happened was Prasanna did Kalidasa's Shakuntalam. Then subsequently Anuradha did Tagore's Home in the World, Ghar Aur Bahar. Some very good sound recording, which my sister Navina came with a German team. Then Neelam came and did a play in Punjabi on Heer Ranjha. And that was hugely popular. But even before that, there was a roof like this, which you're seeing there. But in the pit, Maya Rao and Ayan Lal and different people did informal theatre performances in this pit. And even some dance was done there. And so by that time, these steps had come up and then I slowly expanded them. So we had public performances and the whole thing was full, like almost 150 people, from the town came and watched them. So let's see how the slab falls.
तो आखिरकार इसे तोड़ा जाएगा एक नई शुरुआत के लिए।
एक बार होरी बोलो मने रसना मानव देहेर गौरव कइरो ना मानव देहा माटिर रे भाण्ड भाঙিলে হবে খন্ড রে খন্ড ভাঙিলে দেহা জোড়া লাগবে না
वो एक अभिनेता से प्यार तो कर सकते थे लेकिन शादी कभी नहीं। मैंने उसे पूछा क्या तुम्हें मेरा साथ पसंद नहीं है? तुम एक अभिनेता से प्यार कर सकती हो लेकिन शादी कभी नहीं। उस दिन मेरी आंखें खुल गई।
The less you eat, drink, and read books, the less you go to cinema halls, theatre, public houses, the less you love, sing, think, paint, fence, etc.
अरे अरे भीमसेना लज्जा नहीं तब मुखे करो पूरी वार्तालाप मम संगे।
The more you save, greater becomes your treasure, which neither moth nor dust will devour. Your capital.
क्योंकि बीच में झिलमिली का भी वो आएगा साउंड वगैरह। हाँ हाँ जी, यस मैम। तो ये आवाज भी मैं
बीच में भी इम्प्रोवाइजेशन
पेंट कर रही है
पेंट कर रही है, तो वी विल टेल हर दैट सम घास विल बी थ्रोन, सो वेयर शुड इट बी प्लेस्ड?
साइड में ही रख दूंगा।
हाँ, साइड में रखते ना, लाइक अ लिटिल श्राइन यू आर मेकिंग।
गार्डन में भी वो मतलब हम
And then
पानी
the
डालेंगे।
garbage thing should be, when he comes and grabs the garbage, it should almost be a comment on plastic. Become a plastic, it must be other things. as well.
बारिश आ रही है, इस पे कवर करो।
फिर से आ गई। एलईडी को कवर कर ले।
कैसे करेगा बिना उसको ले जाएगा, वो डाल दे ऊपर। वो कह रहा हूँ वहीं से करेगा। लोड सारे इसी में आएगा।
In a sense, almost the centrality of this work comes from, as the title is, the fall of the slab, and the fall of the slab got to go with this concrete platform, which is a stage for theatre, which over 30 years ago a number of plays were done, and it was always an illegal construction that then you accept certain conditions of the reality of having to break it, and then to then convert that demolition into a positive affirmative act.
How are you?
We are still in the process. We are informally sort of already starting it.
Good, good.
And
good,
it's a very open-ended.
You know, I have never seen this sort of activity in this house.
All of the making and breaking is part of the of this performance event.
Okay.
And that then soon some actors will come, but the structure there, which is going to be cutting the slab, and the slab will fall. The audience will be asked to go down below and view this fall as one part of the event. Then it will be around 7 o'clock, and there will be.
What time are you starting today?
Well, we've started. It's already on.
No.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying, I thought that what time are you starting the show part? Or is already on?
The show is already on. It's very experimental. It is, as I said, it's about process and about activity, and slowly it will sort of build up. Different elements will happen.
But why are you breaking the slab?
Well, it's an illegal structure, and 30 years ago I made it. And
But there's no way to regularize it?
no, because you cannot regularize anything on an outhouse, despite whatever people do. The law says you can expand something 10% of the house,
main house.
but not of the outhouses.
सब एक्टर्स तैयार हैं, आ जाएं अब।
So will you be joining in after that or no? Only
I don't think so. Only
Hello, check.
भैया वॉल्यूम
बहुत ही शांति का
इंसान आज इंसानियत का मतलब भूल कर हैवान बन गया। मैं एक कलाकार हूँ और इंसान भी। मैं देखता हूँ, सोचता हूँ, महसूस करता हूँ। मैं पेंटिंग बनाता हूँ।
ए मोरो
और
प्रीता
स्कल्पचर
ए मोरो भाटा
स्कल्पचर को आप चारों तरफ से देख सकते हैं।
तुम हो प्रसव वेदनारू मु जन्म
मैं इंसान हूँ, मैं कलाकार हूँ।
মানব দেহা মাটির রে খণ্ড ভাঙিলে হবে খণ্ড রে খণ্ড মানব দেহা মাটির রে খণ্ড ভাঙিলে হবে খণ্ড রে খণ্ড ভাঙিলে দেহ জোড়া লাগবে না
हाँ सर, नहीं ठीक है सर, ठीक है।
कोई डैमेज नहीं होना हमारा? कुछ नहीं, कुछ नहीं। ग्रेट, गुड जॉब।
You have to see her video. I mean, she's got an amazing video.
What I was expecting.
I think it was so good. I don't know. It was. I don't know, for some reason it's scarier to see it there, but when I was standing there, I was like, okay.
I enjoyed it. Totally unexpected. It wasn't as safe as I was wanting it to be, but what a feeling. I was downstairs, saw it fall.
Where were you?
I was right there. All the spray came on.
He's still wearing a mask.
It was crazy. I didn't expect it to fall. This fell like that.
I want to go back again on it.
सर जैसे आप चाहते थे वैसे ये एक्शन हो पाया? थोड़ा सा बताएंगे इसके बारे में?
हुआ, पर ये भी ठीक है, बड़ा अच्छा है।
तो सर ये बाकी का फिर धीरे धीरे आप तोड़ेंगे इसको जो बाकी का?
फिर तो धीरे धीरे फिर उसको भी तोड़ना है।
अच्छा,
उसको भी तोड़ना है।
ओके,
तीनों चारों स्लैब्स जाएंगी।
Really don't stand there, please.
ओके।
That's just resting on the bamboo and it's a lot of weight.
आ जाओ प्लीज प्लीज।
Anyway, Asim, it worked. Originally, I never thought of slow motion. I'd always thought of it as a fall like
That's
this.
what happened.
Yeah, that's what happened. Yeah. Where was I? I was standing right here. Ah.
So did you expect it when it happened?
No, there was a plan which then it would come down very slowly. And as the engineer said, slowly and then a fast fall. But from wherever I thought about it, I never thought that there could be, because I never thought of the chain pulley system. So I always thought that it would fall dramatically like this. So it went back to the original idea. Yeah. But it's in terms of reality, the expressionist way that this has fallen, dramatic, and all these lines of force and the girder being, bent, is part of this sort of statement that this performance, aspect has, and various expressionist elements, are framed now or imaged now. So I think it's quite a historic moment for me. आराम से पास नहीं आओ लीला, हाँ दूर रहो इस वक्त. Great.
That's the guy.
No, that's not.